Thank you for clicking on the thumbnail and taking time out of your day to watch this YouTube video. If we haven't met before, my name is Lillian, and I would like to welcome you to the PREP family. PREP stands for Providing Resources for Emergency Preparedness. This garden series is part of my Action Task series for my Family Emergency Readiness Plan. My action task consists of 11 categories ranging from water storage to power outage readiness. This video falls into Action Task 9, How Does Your Garden Grow? Over the next few months, I will post a series of videos sharing my gardening journey. Everything from planning and building my garden infrastructure, to sowing my first seeds, to harvesting all of my vegetables, herb, medicinal flowers, and finally putting my garden beds to rest in the fall. With the recent house move, I am extremely excited to start our garden plans in our new location. Today's video, which is episode 2 of our Spring 2022 garden series, I am unboxing recent seed orders from Baker Creek Rare Seeds and M.I. Gardener. If you are interested in sharing in my garden journey, please be sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you are notified each and every time I upload a new YouTube video. Hi guys, I am back with another haul video. I'm so excited to be adding to my seed collection. If you remember in the last video, I ordered from M.I. Gardener and Seed Savers Exchange. In this video, I'm doing a haul. I placed another order with M.I. Gardener, and this envelope is from Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds. I am so excited to be adding to my seed collection. I'm trying to establish my at-home seed bank, as you can see. We're going to get these opened up right away and show you what's in them. All right, so let's open this first one. So this is my order from M.I. Gardener. All right, we got quite a few in here. So let's see what else I got. Got a couple blue kills. Got a couple of blue Scotch kale, some Lacto Dinosaur kale, some Swiss chard, let's see, some anise, some sugar snap peas, a couple of tomatoes, Roma, San Marzano, Triple L crop. Let's see here, some peppers, some Big Jim Hots, some acorn squash, zucchini, more peppers, and my watermelons, some more pumpkins. Love the pumpkins. Alrighty. Alright, so let's move on to our Baker Creek. Let's see what we got in there. Alright. Alright, Baker Creek, we have some corn. Oh, this is our free seed. So when you order from Baker Creek, they give you a free seed packet. Yeah. Alright, Old Tokyo Komatsuda, a traditional Komatsuda from Tokyo, Japan that is dense in nutrition and so refined in flavor. Komatsuda is known as the spinach mustard, can be used cooked or raw, and have a mild spinach flavor. Okay, so it's like a spinach. That's interesting. Alright, we'll try that and see how it grows. Alright, let's see what else we got. We have the corn. We have some black turtle beans. We got some Waltham butternut squash. 4-hook zucchini. Okay. More tomatoes. Watermelon. Black eyed peas. Technically lima beans, but we'll call them black eyed peas. All right, we got some companion plants, some marigolds, and some nasturtium. Oh, I'm looking forward to these speckled Jacob Kettle's bush beans. All right, we got some borage. This is a good herb. You can eat the flower, and it's good for medicinal. Feverfew, that's a good plant. The marshmallow plant, we got some medicinals in here. All right, we got some oregano, some sage, another nasturtium, more peppers, marigolds, some yarrow. With the seeds, I unboxed in episode 1 and the seeds in this current video. I now have a total of 339 seed packets that I recently ordered in July and August. Those 339 seed packets result in 179 different seed varieties. Yet, I still have so many more on the waiting list as they are currently out of stock when I am recording this unboxing. The seed varieties I purchased all work well for my Zone 4B garden. I purchased online from Midwest seed companies that test their seeds for hardiness where I live. The seeds I am unboxing today are for my Spring 22 garden. I shopped early to avoid the January-February online rush. A little pre-planning is helping me to avoid the out-of-stock notices. Ordering early also ensures I can get the varieties I want to grow. Seed Savers Exchange is an excellent website to purchase heirloom, organic, and open pollinated seeds that grow well in the Midwest. As a matter of fact, Seed Savers Exchange is located in the heart of the Midwest. Their website is easy to navigate and my orders shipped promptly with no problems. I also placed a seed order with Baker Creek Rare Seeds. Baker Creek is a popular website for heirloom, organic, and open pollinated seeds. You will see several hauls on the YouTube gardening community from Baker Creek. Their website is constantly busy with orders. When I ordered, the website immediately notified me it would be approximately 3 weeks before my order arrived. My order arrived exactly 3 weeks and a day after I placed my order. I placed my order online from Baker Creek on July 21st, and my order was delivered by the post office on August 12th. Now, even with the 3 weeks and a day to shipping, I am extremely happy with my Baker Creek order and delivery. I am so excited to plant those seeds, and of course, I also have a wait list on the Baker Creek website. Today's unboxing will show you my second order from the M.I. Gardener website. I am very satisfied with both of my purchases from M.I. Gardener. So I'm going to be doing a full seed, what I want to call it. I think I'm going to be doing a full seed haul for all 4 of my orders. And I'm going to go through everything I ordered. And I think I'm up to something like 339 seed packets from my 4 orders. I think I spent over $700 so far on just seeds. And I'm going to come back and give you guys a full seed haul. But I am so excited to have these seeds come in the mail. I've been looking forward to getting them for a while. And so I'm going to put these together in order and figure out how I'm going to do my seed haul video, and I'm going to come back to you with that. But if you are interested in gardening, if you are interested in self-sufficiency and emergency preparedness, I encourage you all to watch, to subscribe to the channel so you are up to date every time I upload a new YouTube video.